Guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make pork dumpling. This is a pork dumpling, a simple, satisfying and loaded with flavor. It's perfect with the delicious sauce as I will do today. So let's start with the pork filling. First, we're gonna use the pork for 300 grams and then add the oyster sauce for 3 tablespoons. Two tablespoons of the soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of the sugar. 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil. 1/2 tablespoon of the pepper. And 2 tablespoons of the corn flour. Then we're gonna stir through the mixture and knead it until it's like sticky a bit. And now you can see our pork is almost sticky, and then we add for the mushroom 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of the carrot and 1 tablespoon of the spring onion. This is a dumpling wrapper that we buy in the Asian shop. It's very easy to find it in the Asian shop. So lay out a dumpling wrapper and use your finger dip the water to wet the entire edge of the wrapper. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of filling into the center of the dumpling wrapper. Fold the wrapper in half and press the edge together to seal the dumpling into a half moon shape. And do the same thing until it's finished. The next step, we're gonna boil the dumpling wrapper by make the water until it's boiled and then put our dumpling into the water and boil it until it's cooked about 3 to 5 minutes. When it's done, the wrapper will appear translucent. Check one dumpling to make sure they are cooked through. And now it's done, remove from the water and put into the plate that have some of the oil. This one will help to the dumpling not stick together. The next step, we're gonna make the dipping sauce. This recipe I really recommend you, that is very delicious. The first thing, use some of the chili and add 2 tablespoons of the sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of the chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of the dark soy sauce. And then we're gonna mix it well. And that is for the dipping sauce. It's really delicious. You can use put on the our dumpling wrap. It's very fast and easy to make this recipe, and I believe that you will love it. No need to go to a restaurant, but you can make it by your own. So if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time. Thank you.